July 23rd, Friday. And just a quick update on this nice morning. I'm gonna go flying. I did a few things this morning. I installed my action camera. This is the Akaso EK7000, which is a 4K ultra high definition. I probably won't use that, but it's available. So I'll try to get some videos. Today will be her maiden voyage, and we'll see if she stays on. Hopefully she stays on. Second thing I did was I adjusted my muffler. I had to loosen things up, kind of reposition it a little bit, and tighten it down because it's been moving in a little bit. And then third is I have to adjust my intercom, my interphone, for there's like squeal in it. So I adjusted the squelch, didn't affect it. But the last flight I had, I flew my wife and then my daughter, Kate. Actually, Kate flew first because she helped me on the airplane. And then my wife flew a separate flight, and that was really fun, right? To get past phase 1 testing, be able to take your family. That's why I built this thing, is to have fun with people, friends. I've got a lot of Excalibur builders, and many of you watching actually are my friends all over the country. And I appreciate you, and I want to be involved in having fun with you flying your Excalibur. So whether it's instruction or, you know, just flying, just having fun. So anyway, gonna do that. Gonna check out the intercom right now and take her for a spin, and hopefully you can see this action. Hopefully it works well. So just want to say one more thing too is again, special thanks to Brad Holland at the FAA for certifying the airplane. That's a big reason why I could take family, you know, get past 20 hours, and she's doing great, so go flying. And the second person I want to thank is Mike Jones at the FAA, because I just recently got my repairman certificate, so now I can do the condition inspections, which this one's due next month. So I'll be going through the airplane and checking everything out, and it's like it's annual, so to speak, on it. So anyway, pretty excited. Looking forward to going flying this one. basically the bungee that was underneath the seat that attaches to basically the elevator push-pull tube, and then it connects up underneath the front of the seat, and you can see it actually wrapped around right there, if it'll focus. Not on my radio, right there. So I had it in a little hole because it was a smaller bungee, and it was actually 6 bungees all attached, these really small ones. Tom sent me this other one. Thank you, Tom. It was, he just sent it to me, and for free. It's basically just a really thick bungee. Look, it was probably maybe 3/8 of an inch or something like that. But anyway, hard to see, but it's underneath here, and it's I think a much better arrangement. Let's see if you can see it. Yep, there it is. But you had to drill a little bit bigger hole, and then up to the front right there. And so you can use some locking pliers to kind of find out where it is. That didn't really work for me, just because it's so hard to get under here without taking stuff apart, taking the top seat off or drilling out the sheet metal. So what I did is I just did it by feel and kind of pinched it where I thought it was good, tied a knot, and then just trial and error. A few knots, 2 or 3 knots later, I was fine. So this is great. And sorry about the moving, but if you could see, neutral stick, and my elevators looking much better. They kind of started to sag with the smaller ones, but if you remember on a previous video, I'm not sure which one it was, but I had all these 6 little bungee guys up in here, these little ones. All kind of one in there, and then the other 5 connected to the one. So anyway, that was a nice thing to get. One project down, among other ones today too.